parking lot and throughout the stadium. Dedicated collectors, Friar Harold, making a dance directly to the podium for the last time. Making that game count. Resigning to Will Friar Harold, Silver Athletics, Dedicated collectors. Officially licensed at the and the numbers are of the Cardinal Point Score Purchase Program. For every point scored this season, our partners will donate $15 to a local rural charity. Cardinal Point Score Purchase Program is 1 point at a time. 7 Brew Coffee, bringing the energy. When your Louisville Kicker scores 7 or more points in the next game, and will score a small drink with any purchase of 7 Brew Coffee stands all across the state proud because 7 Brew Coffee is truly our nation.
The power of